Hi friends, good morning. So we'll concentrate on our next tutorial, that is on Kotlin. So in a Kotlin today we want to concentrate on DatePicker. How to create a DatePicker using Kotlin. So now here I am creating one of the new project. That project name called DatePicker Kotlin. So we'll see how it's created this. So here we need to create a Kotlin. So I'm creating this Kotlin. See, this project is creating. So now once it's in this, I just need text to display the date and one button to select this date. So I'll take only two parameters in XML. So still this project has created building the Gradle. Once this Gradle is building, we can able to check that. Okay, project has created. Now here regularly here I want to take this as linear layout. In this linear layout, now I want to take this edit text and all. So linear layout with orientation as vertical. So I'm giving this orientation as vertical. So just I want to continue with this text view. So I'm removing this. Initially it could not display anything, just I'm giving this date here. So show date. Then I want in this one button. So I drag and drop one button. To click on that, it will display. So for this I'm changing as select date. Just I'm changing that as select date. Here also I am changing as a select. Now I want to write the program for this. So as usually I am writing this button. When you are click on the button, you want to display the action. So here now I am writing this button. So here select from XML. So dot set on click listener. Once you click on that listener, here now I want to declare this. Means here whenever you want to declare this, here we need to declare a calendar. So I want to declare calendar where, so I am defining this calendar equal to, there is no new in this Kotlin. So here we need to get this calendar instance here. So calendar dot get instance. So we need to get the calendar instance here. Okay, we got this calendar instance. Once we get this calendar instance, here we need to write this here this. So I want to get this data here. So calendar dot get. So calendar dot get. From the calendar I want to get this. What I want to get first, I want to get here. Same way calendar dot get. So again this calendar dot month. I want to get the month. So month, I want to get the month. Then same way I want to get the date. So calendar dot get. So calendar dot date. So I got this three. But if I want to use this, we need to assign to some of the variable. So here I am assigning those two here, some of the variable where. So yy then that I'm taking as a int. So just I'm defining that as a int. Initially I'm assigning this 0. Like the same, I want two more. One is the other one is the dd, means month and date. So here I'm assigning this, here yy equal to this, equal to this month, and dd equal to date. This I assign like this. Once I assign like this all, then now here we need to write this DatePicker. So I'm writing here var, so that is DatePicker dialog. I want to write this DatePicker dialog. So that is DatePicker dialog equal to DatePicker dialog. So here DatePicker dialog. So in this, in the same format which we are using already in a Java. So here first one is here context. So that context is nothing but this @main activity, comma. So from here now I want to add the, in this there is no new, so directly I can add this DatePicker dialog dot on date select listener. So on date select listener I want to use this. So directly on date select listener I want to use this. So dot on date select listener I'm using this. So in this, here after this space, here we need to give a return type as with comma. You need to give this dd, means what we are getting there, that we need to give here return type as this. So this is how we are selecting this now. Then outside of this, sorry, here there is no semicolon. So outside of this, here you can write this DatePicker dialog dot show must, because it's a dialog. Dialogs must ensure it has this. Now here I want to assign this date. So what we added here in this now, that is show date. So here I want to write show date. So show date dot set text of. So how we want that, we want to set here in this. So here plus slash plus month plus slash day of the month. Like this I want to set this. So this is the way I want to set this. So where we are getting this date and all, we need to get this. But here this is not a string format, you need to convert into string. So I want to convert this into true string. So now I'm running this application. We can see this, what is the output of this. So this is the way we are dealing this DatePicker in Kotlin. So it's a very simple compared to Java. It's a very less code. Then a simple format, it can be finished. So the same date format in our regular works we used that only. Is this here now? So running. Meanwhile, I'm opening this visor. So once this visor has opened, we can able to check this this output, how it's working here. So still it's running. Okay, it's installing now. Even visor is also ready. So now we can able to see this. See here. Now I am selecting here date. See, I'm clicking on this. See, calendar is open. Now I can select somewhere here. This, see here. Whatever date you selected, this is. So this is the way we are dealing here this date. Thank you for listening this and support. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.